Exercise 2.5, second question. Z1 bar, Z1 modulus equal to Z2 modulus equal to 1. Note that Z1 modulus is 1 and Z2 modulus is 1. And another condition given is Z1 into Z2 is not equal to minus 1. Then you have to show that Z1 plus Z2 divided by 1 plus Z1 Z2 is a real number. You have to prove that this is a real number. There is no number given here, just it is a all things you have to prove using only the properties. This is given because of this one. Z1 is not equal to minus 1. If it is Z1 Z2 is minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 becomes 0, number by 0 will become infinity. For that purpose this is given, so no need to worry about this at present. So this question requires some properties to be recollected here, and maybe some one important property we have here is Z modulus whole square can be written as Z bar. This is an important property. We'll name it as equation 1. This is what we're going to use in this question. To prove this question, you're going to use this one. Z modulus square is equal to Z bar. Let us see how it is possible. So you can easily prove this, but in examination, in order to prove this, you just note this alone. Let Z is equal to x plus iy. So what is Z modulus? That is equal to root of x square plus y square. So what is Z modulus whole square? If you square this, the root will go off. You will get only x square plus y square. It is equation number, let us say it is A. What is Z into Z bar? Z is x plus iy and Z bar is x minus iy. If you multiply this, you will get again x square plus y square. Let us name it as equation B. Note that equation A and equation B are equal. So therefore, we have to write, we can conclude that Z modulus whole square is equivalent to Z bar. This is one important property of the complex number. So in this question, they have given Z1 modulus is equal to 1. So note here Z1 modulus equal to 1. Therefore, Z1 modulus whole square is also 1. If you square this also, you get the answer is 1 only. But here let us use the property. Using the property 1, we can write this as Z1 bar I can write. That is equal to 1. Using this property, Z modulus square is equal to Z bar. Using this property, I am writing like this. So from here, what is our Z1 bar? That is equal to 1 by Z. Z1 bar is, you can push the Z1 to this side, 1 by Z bar. Let us name this as equation number 2. So similarly we can say Z2 bar is equal to 1 by Z2. Because that is also given as answer as 1. So let us have this in mind. Let us name it as equation number 3. Using this, we are going to do this problem. Using these results, we are going to do this problem. So now the problem given is, we have to show that this complex number is a real number. Let us recollect another property. What is another property? Z is real if Z bar equal to Z. This is the condition we have learnt. Using the conjugate. When a complex number is said to be real, only if and only if Z bar equal to Z. So let us find out the bar of this question. The question given is Z1 plus Z2 divided by 1 plus Z1 Z2. Let us try to find the bar of this question. What is the property we are learning? The whole bar is nothing but individual bar. So we can write it as Z1 plus Z2 whole bar in the numerator separately divided by 1 plus Z1 Z2 bar denominator also a separate bar I can write. Another property we have learned, the whole bar is nothing but individual bar. So this is Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Similarly in denominator it is 1. For 1 there is no conjugate. So 1 plus Z1 Z2 bar. Okay. And Z1 bar, you can notice here Z1 bar already we have found a value here. Z1 bar is 1 by Z1. In this question we are using the equation number 2, it is 1 by Z1, and this is 1 by Z2 using equation number 3, divided by, again individual bar can be written as separate bar, so this is also again 1 by Z1 dot 1 by Z2. How we got this result? We got this result from equation 2 and equation 3 we got this result. Now just take LCM. Taking the LCM Z1 and Z2, we get this is Z2 plus Z1 divided by, here also LCM is Z1, Z2 is LCM. So Z1, Z2 will get here plus 1 ones are 1. Now your both the denominators will get cancelled. So the remaining result will be, numerator is Z1 plus Z2 and denominator is 1 plus Z1 Z2. You can notice that we got the question back. Actually we found the bar of the question, that is we found the conjugate, we ended up with the answer without conjugate. That is we proved that Z bar equal to Z. We have proved that Z bar equal to Z. Therefore you can write Z bar equal to Z. This is the real number. This implies Z is a real number. That is what they are asking in the question. So there is no need of any number here. Just we are using the properties and we are proving the question. This part you don't need to explain. You just, this property alone you have to show in the examination. This part you don't need to explain. Just for your reference I have explained here. That ends the